Yeah.
What is that down there?
Looks like a baby bear. No.
Hey guys, we're doing a walk today and I'm so excited. We're going to the river. Woo! Oh, hi.
Who's that?
Hazel and Kai.
What do you hear right now?
The birds chirping and a beautiful day. We're going to walk.
What do you love most about going on walks?
To have fun at the river and build some of those castles at the beach.
That's your favorite thing to do?
Yeah. And play in the river.
You know what mine is?
What?
Being in nature and listening to the sounds of the birds chirping.
I love that too.
And the sound of the river water.
I love that too.
And putting our feet in the water.
Yeah.
And looking for agates.
Oh, and then you do find a flat rock and you do that.
Oh, skipping rocks.
Yeah, skipping
Yep,
rock.
that's fun.
Yep.
Do you hear the sounds of the birds?
Yeah.
What does it smell like?
Forest and nature.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
I just catch this. I did not mean to, but it was already broken. Why did I just do that? Oh yeah, right there too. Same. Ew. Look. Don't throw that thing yet. Look. We're here at the river.
Yep. It's amazing how much the river changes every year, huh?
Yes. And I'm gonna play in the sand and
Look at it. Now there's like an island over there in the center.
oh yeah, you can go.
Wow, look at this log.
Wow, you can actually climb over there, Mom.
Wow.
You can climb over there.
Yes, we can.
Yay!
Isn't that crazy?
Yes.
Look at the difference it is now.
Oh yeah.
Such a change.
Uh-huh.
There used to be trees all over right in here. See, all used to be trees. And then we had a huge, huge flood.
Yeah.
What is that down there?
Looks like a baby bear. No, it's a coyote.
Oh no, that's not good.
That's a coyote.
Yep, there's a coyote right there. Oh no, it's not a coyote.
Oh, it's a dog.
Oh, good. Okay, back to what I was saying. And it it kind of got me a little nervous too.
Looks like a baby bear.
Yeah, I was thinking it looked a little dark for a coyote, but anyway, so now the river wiped everything out, and there used to be a really beautiful pathway to the river, and now it's completely gone. So this was our little pathway down into the beautiful, what would you call that? It was just this beautiful pathway in the trees, and it was like just this, it was so magical.
Mom,
But now,
stuck right
here's
there.
the pathway.
Right
It's
there.
wiped out completely. Okay, go ahead.
We're here at the river. There's a lot of rocks.
Oh, look at,
What? What?
see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we found a pretty rock already. Look at that. Wow.
I'm gonna catch it.
Yep, keep that one. Put it in our rock collection.
I'm catching it right here. Whoa.
Okay.
I don't know where that's going. Where's Kai going?
I'm checking out the water.
Don't catch it. Whoa. Whoa, now we're on sand. Sandy
Oh, look at,
sand.
let's go over this way.
Oh yeah.
There's like a little
I'm gonna
creek.
run there.
Be careful.
Whoa. Look at over there. How are we going to get? Oh, yeah, I remember. Yeah. What?
Yeah. Look at that. Look, it looks like we have a little swimming hole.
Wait, we're going to walk swimming in there?
Well, when it gets hot out, we can.
We almost walked through the thing water.
Yeah. Should we walk through it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
I'm going to get water all over me.
It's okay. We can walk through it.
No, it's scared. Peter, stop pulling the cleat or I'll get you. Here comes cold water. Now it's starting now.
Okay. Wow, look it. We can go swimming over there.
Let's go. Come on, let's go down there. Yeah? Come
Okay, go ahead.
on. Let's go in the water, Mama. Okay?
Okay, look it. Isn't that pretty?
No. Wait, no. Mama, come on.
Go ahead, babe.
No.
You want me to go in with you? Honestly, though, the water isn't that cold. It's not. Oh, Kai's getting his shoes off. Yeah, look it. There's a little swimming hole over there. You want to walk over there?
Okay, you go first.
Let me see how. Okay. Woo! See, we can go swimming over there. That's really cool. Oh yeah, you could walk through there.
Mama, come on. Let's walk through this area.
Here, let's go over here. Nora, honey, let's go over this way. What? It is a little deep. Okay. Let's walk. Actually, let's go over here.
Okay. Oh, let's walk through that.
Yeah, we can walk through this one.
Okay. Kai, come on. Look at Kai.
Yeah, he's coming. Okay, let's go. Come on, Easy. Good job, baby girl.
I just
Yeah, I see.
It's pushing me that way.
Yep.
Wow. Hands off, Mama. This area. Right here. Cannonball. Okay, I washed them clean. Ah.
Wow, look at how pretty. Yes.
I found this one.
Look at
and
that
my mom
one.
found that one. Two.
Yeah, we got two now.
So
That one's so pretty.
I
Wow.
found in my pocket.
Okay. That one too. Adding to our collection. Making a cross.
Yeah, look.
Wow, it's beautiful.
I can make an area. Found these right here.
Yeah. What kind of prints do you think those are?
Deers.
I think they're elk.
Oh wait, I think they are.
Yeah.
Oh look.
Those are pretty big prints. Look at, put your hand next to it.
Okay.
Right here, put your hand next to that. Look at how big.
Look at what else I found.
Wow.
Like goes.
Oh, yep. From here. Yep. They walk this way. Oh, and then where? Yep. Oh, yeah. I can see a little bit. And then probably went into the forest. Yeah.
And then he ran. Oh!
Careful, babe.
Away. Oh, we're here. And he went, now baby. Hey guys, I'm going to walk all the way to my brother while walking on these rocks. Like this. Look at this, guys. What's this? Woo!
All right, we should start heading back. It's starting to get dark. Yeah, I don't want to be walking in the dark. No way. Yep, the rocks are a little slimy, huh?
Whoa! Ow! I did it!
Make sure to like and subscribe. Keep being amazing.